There we go.
You got it, Gwen?
I got it.
Somebody is supposed to be moving it up and down.
Well, Ronnie's swinging it.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Just a swinging.
it's almost too easy for the girl.
Ronnie's swinging.
Did you spin her around? I did spin her around 3
Here we
times.
go.
We might need to make it a little bit more difficult. Oh,
Oh, she went. Don't swing.
You're gonna want to stand back from that because
yeah, I'd stand
we
back.
all watch those videos.
Wait,
Go.
wait.
We're going to swing it.
Wait, we're going to swing it.
Okay, go.
Okay, now you go. Oh, she's got it. She's going to swing
She got it.
both ways.
She got it.
She's going to swing both ways. Oh!
It's hard to hold the camera and not laugh.
Swinging the back way. Ron, you better...
There you go. There's Candy.
You're going to be mowing candy.
Oh, there it is. Oh, ah.
Oh, she took the blindfold off. I couldn't
What
make
the hell was that?
Leave the top open and we'll just dig it out by hand.
They don't make them like they used to, damn it.
Holy crap, this thing is stuffed full. Oh my God, look at all that candy.
I love
Where's all the kids? Oh, I'm
carry the pinata in and dump it in a bowl.
Yeah. Yeah, so we don't have to pick it all up off the ground.
I know, right? I love you guys.
Although you can
I'm total rank amateur at this video and shit. I don't. Hey.
Yes, they're mine.
That's what we used to throw it over the limb. Come here, Kenny, untie it. I'm not getting nowhere near you with a stick.
Yeah, all that testosterone.
That's what they say about you, Kenny.
Alright. Alright, Kenny.
Hey, I brought some good candy, so y'all make sure you get it all.
That's my favorite. I got Lancasters in there.
I see chocolate kisses.
I know, I got Werther's in there.
Yeah.
Patty. I'm making a liquor store run in
One what?
Didn't say that loud enough.
Liquor store
Does
run.
anybody want anything from the liquor store?
No, nobody. Apparently, we've got all the alcohol we'll ever need. Even if it comes a big storm, we're good, apparently. I know, personally, I'm good. I know where my liquor's at.
I brought Werther's and Lancasters. Gotta get the good stuff.
What's that? Oh,
Where did Sean go? Here you go.
Sean, here's some candy for you on your way
There
home.
goes the pinata. There it goes, being taken in. So it can be divvied up among the children. Divvied up among the children. Would you like some help with the door? Here, let me be the camera crew.
Candy, honey, if you got the handle for
Don't you hate it when you watch those movies and they just let things die and you're like, why didn't the camera crew do something about that? You mean you just go sit here and let that get killed so you can film it? Okay.
when we all got pulled over and I had to pretend my
Where's
weed
Marty?
was
John, that's the end of this video and I'm going to share it with you.